The GDM-23 is True's single-section glass door merchandiser refrigerator. True glass door merchandisers come in a variety of sizes, both refrigerator and freezer, and come with swing or sliding doors. Made with quality metals, the GDM-23 has a non-peel or chip laminated vinyl exterior, available in white, black or stainless for an upcharge. Make sure to leave adequate room for the cabinet's dimensions. The self-closing doors are made of low-E double-pane thermal insulated glass, keeping energy costs at a minimum. The door is equipped with a redesigned built-in handle and easy removable door gaskets. True's in-house printing capabilities leave you with many choices for signage on the GDM-23, from illuminated sign panels to sidewall decals. On the interior of the GDM-23, you will find energy-efficient LED lighting, which reflects off the NSF-approved white aluminium walls. The floor of the cabinet is constructed of stainless steel. The GDM-23 comes with 4 adjustable, heavy-duty, PVC-coated wire shelves. The entire cabinet is foamed in place using EcoMate, an environmentally friendly insulation, offering 0 ozone depletion potential and 0 global warming potential. The GDM-23's bottom mount design has many advantages. With a condensing unit on the bottom, it provides easy access for maintenance, top storage and a no-stoop lower shelf. The Energy Star qualified GDM-23 has an oversized and balanced refrigeration system that ensures faster temperature recovery and shorter runtime in the busiest of food service environments. Please contact your local food service equipment provider for more information. Certain features and benefits may vary by country or location. True's GDM-23.